Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Ali Gatie, we had him before here on Gordon Guitar, and he released some songs recently, so we're gonna cover a couple of them. This one is called Fallout, and like most of the times, we have one chord version that goes through the entire song when it comes to Ali Gatie, and we have perhaps a melody, like in this case. So we're gonna go over these different parts here, starting with capo here on the 5th fret. That will be the easiest way of handling the song. So capo on 5th, and we have chord progression that goes G, E minor, B minor 7, and C major 7. So let's start with the G. All right, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. B minor 7, so that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string here and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And then the final chord, C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have this picking first. So I'm gonna go over the different chords here, starting with G. It's very simple, this one. So let's start with G. It sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd on E, then open D, and then play open G together with open B. And there's a long break between the chords there, so. And then next chord there. So the next chord will be E minor, starts like this. So starts with open E, 2nd A, and 2nd D together with open G. That's the E minor part. Long break. Then comes the B minor 7. It sounds like this. So that is 2nd on A, 4th on D, and then 4th on D together with 2nd G. And then we have the final chord, the C major 7, and it sounds like this. So that is 3rd on A, then 2nd on D, and then you play open G together with open B. And there you have one round of the melody solo. Let's speed up a bit. Yeah, so that's how it goes. Now we can combine this with a strumming pattern, and you will use 2 rounds per chord here in the same way. So one round will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, down, up. Pretty long. Starting with G, so we can have the G as an example, like this. Okay, so down, down, clap, and then comes down, up 3 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then comes clap, down, up. That's it. So to repeat, it's first down, down, clap, and then comes down, up 3 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then clap, down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, down, up. That is one round. You play that for 2 rounds per chord in the same way, same chord progression there, and that will be how you handle the strumming. So let's go for one round of this, starting with G. E minor, E minor, what Ali Gatie's Fallout is all about. 4 chords, melody strumming. Good luck, guys. Play tuned.